FRP. Do you know what it is? FRP stands for Fiber Reinforced Polymer. Basically, it's just a chemical compound that people have been using for years in all kinds of construction, but it's only just recently been approved for residential construction. There is so much to know about FRP, and I'm totally geeking out on it, but I'm just going to give you like 3 or 4 things that I think you definitely want to know now. Roof trusses and wall panels are their bread and butter, but you can also get sheathing and cladding out of the same material. And everything is available within 6 to 8 weeks of placing your order. Yes, you heard me, 6 to 8 weeks. What? Now for the fun facts though. FRP is termite, mold, rust, and corrosion resistant. And there's a 25-year warranty against any degradation of the material, including exposure to pests and water. It's impact rated up to 250 miles per hour. It's UL level 1. And it's RF transparent, which means there's no reduction or blocking of Wi-Fi or cellular signals. You guys, FRP is approved for residential sales. If you're a builder or you know a builder and you want to know more, just ask.